friends, and happy new year. It's 2024 and I'm going to talk about how to make this new year the best year, how to make it glow for you, for all of us, for every individual. But this is going to be the next video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of the things that I got throughout the holidays. My day today, it's not going to be very exciting. Actually, I have to go grocery shopping because I just realized that my fridge is half empty because it's over the holidays, because, you know, the stores were closed. We kind of emptied it. There's not much left in there. So that's the main thing we're going to do today. So before I actually go out in this really gray, rainy day, which is not a really typical day during the winter in Slovenia, but, you know, weather is changing everywhere in the world. So let's unbox things. First, I'm going to show you amazing, hopefully amazing, because I haven't seen them yet, new black sandals. This room is still not finished, so it's still kind of difficult to film unboxing because either the light is wrong or I can't place this anywhere, so just bear with me. I'll do my best to unbox this just holding up. So I just opened this box to get the, you know, the address off, but this is a package from Farfetch. And as you can see, there are Pinko shoes. I have Pinko bags, but I don't have Pinko shoes. So these are my first. And when I saw them on the webpage, I just couldn't resist. I had to have them. These I got last week, so they should still be available. And they're actually on sale now. They weren't when I ordered them. So good luck to me, right? They come with a dust bag, which I'm always glad. Due to my work, I always carry a lot of my shoes with me. So this to me is essential because I need to, you know, I can't just put my shoes on the back seat of my car. I need something to put them in. So I always like when the designers put the dust bag. The material doesn't feel very luxurious. It feels like plastic bag. But it looks durable, which is the main point, so it's not going to ruin the shoes that we're going to be carrying in there. This is Gianvito Rossi dust bag, and this feels like a combination of cotton and silk. I know it's not silk, but it feels very silky, and when you touch this, it feels luxurious. You know that you're buying premium product. With this, not so much. I mean, to be fair, you know, Pinko shoes are priced way lower than Gianvito Rossi, but still, you know, the nice dust bag for shoes, it's a nice touch. Yes, I think I will love this. Let me get rid of all the papers. These are patent leather sandals, and this comes across your foot in the front, which is quite different. Usually this kind of crosses around, just around your ankle, but this one actually crosses in front of your foot and then goes up. So it's a very different look. I'm going to show you in the next videos how I intend to style them, because it is obviously a summer shoe and now it's not a summer. And here we have a crystal strap across the foot. But the main reason why I love these shoes, I'm actually hiding it on purpose because I want to surprise you with the heel. This is another crystal that is actually on the heel. It's kind of fun touch to have the pink end of the heel, but I think I'm going to change this to black. I'm not sure, but for now I'm going to leave it. But when it kind of wears down, I think I'm going to just put the plain black in, because this way the heel actually looks shorter than it is, because it's the color deception, and, you know, I prefer this to be all black, so I'm going to change this. But this, I think they are amazing and they look very comfortable. This feels very soft. I'm gonna tell you more when I wear them if they are as comfortable as they look. And we can remove this now. I love how this is made. Now we just have to wait for the weather to, you know, change from winter to summer, and these babies are going out with me. I guess they do this on purpose, so it's more fun to unbox it. But this is really not a smooth sailing as openings and unboxings go. Misoma, this is not a good box, but it's okay. I care what's inside, not on the outside. All right, so what did we get? I ordered 3 things from Missoma webpage the last days of 2023 when they had 50 off of a lot of things. I hope you took advantage of it because we don't know when the next sale is gonna hit. And this is actually not jewelry, but it's something that it's for jewelry. And I had my eye on this piece for a while, but I was never sure if it's something I will actually use or it's just something that I think it will look nice on my shelf. But then I realized I actually do need this because my jewelry, especially the ones that I prepare for next day, are just lying on the countertop. So I needed something more pretty to put my jewelry on. I was a bit worried if it's gonna break during the shipping because it is ceramic, but no, it's very well packed. If you can see here, this way, the way it's kind of folded, it really keeps this item in place. So it arrives in one piece and no damage. This is actually bigger than I thought. It's so nice. It's a trinket tray. It's gold plated, this as well, and I think it will go so nicely on my white countertops. And this is for rings and little earrings that I prepare for next day, and I really like this. It's quite heavy because it is ceramic, but I'm really impressed the way it was packed because I have to be honest, I was worried if this will come in one piece, but yeah, no problems there. I love it. This looks so nice. Next, I have 2 pairs of earrings, and this is how it arrives. It comes with its own little carry pouch, and this is made out of fabric, and I love these pouches. I always packed my jewelry in them when I travel, so this is a very nice touch that you get this with the jewelry. And then I hope camera will focus this time. Let's try it like this. These are pink and red. I really like these earrings. They really add a little bit of color on your ears, especially when you have your hair down. They just kind of shine through, so I really like them. And I love this color. It's subtle, but you can still see it. I'm happy with this purchase as well. And the last piece, this is also earrings. Again, a little pouch. I hope you will be able to see them. They're very tiny, and they have crystals at the front, and because they are not circled, because they're not round, I think it will be nice to mix and match this because I think I have a bit of too many hoops there, but you know, I love hoops, I can't help it. So yeah, I think this one might actually fit on top here as well. I'm gonna try and play around with it a bit later, so I'm gonna link whatever I can still find below. And you know, have a lovely weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain where you are and you have nice and lovely days. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.